Okay. Can you start with that? Sure, you can start with it.
Little brown seeds, so small and round, sleeping underground. Down come the raindrops. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Out comes the rainbow. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Little brown seeds way down below. Up together. Earth they grow, grow, grow. Little green leaves come one by one. They hold up, they heat and look at the sun. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Okay, very good. Next chance goes to Gitsara. You can start. Buddha.
සර් ලින්ක් එකනේ සර් මේ ලිස්ට් එක දාන්න පුළුවන්ද පොඩ්ඩක්
Okay, මම තව චුට්ටකින් දාන්න පුතේ. දැන් හොඳලා මේ වගේ ටක් ගාලා ready reading කරා යමු. ඒක මම දාන්නම්. Okay. Gitsara, you can start Buddha.
Happiness. Many people today are not as happy as they wish to be. Technological advancements have made our lives easier and more comfortable. We enjoy higher incomes and better standards of living as result of progress and development, but happiness has remained a rather elusive goal for many of us. Our cluster of material faith and worldly passions and robbed us of the contentment that we long for. What is happiness and how can we obtain it? Happiness can be defined as a state of mind characterized by feelings of contentment, satisfaction, and pleasure. People always think that their achievements, education, career, always think that their family and financial security can make them happy, but later find that happiness is not always the end result. We can own and live in a beautiful home, afford lavish lifestyle, wear designer clothes, or drive expensive cars, and yet we many be unhappy. It is misconception to think that having lots of money can make a person happy. What then can provide lasting happiness? Abraham Lincoln once said, "You are as happy as you make up your mind to. Happiness is a matter of choice. We can make a choice to be happier, happy or sad. We can satisfied with who we are and what we have can make us happy. We should first set our goals and determine the areas in our lives and that are important to us. Then we should strive to attain these goals. We should make conscious commitment, change what we can and accept what we cannot.
Okay, Buddha. Next chance goes to Situ Mimanshu. You can start Buddha.
Okay, sir. Today topic is health is wealth. Well, now and all saying is that health is wealth. Wealth. This is a saying we are all heard since we were children, implying that health is more important than money. Because a healthy man is more effective in life and he can do whatever task. Moreover, a rich man who is ill is unable to work and he can never afford good health. A healthy body is one that is physical, emotionally, and mentally is good condition. Our health is more valuable than anything else we have. It is a secret of a happy man. It is essential to have a healthy and disciplined lifestyle because happiness and success are impossible to achieve without good health. Good health brings joy to our life. So finished. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha. Next chance goes to Manisha. You can start, Buddha.
Little girl, where have you been? I have been to see grandmother over the green. What did she give you? Milk in a can. What did you say for it? What did you say for it? Thank you, grandmother. Thank you, grandmother.
Okay, Buddha. Okay, very good. Next chance goes to Mayantha. Start, Buddha. Again.
Only one leg. A man killed a crane and gave it to his servant. The servant rose it and ate one of its legs. Then he put it on a plate on the dinner table. The master came and sat down at the dinner table. He turned the bird upside down and asked, "Where is the other leg?" The servant replied, "A crane has only one leg, sir." Next morning, the master and the servant went together to the river bank. A crane was standing there in the water on one leg. The master clapped his hands and the dinner load its other leg and flew and fly anyway. The
Flew
master
away.
to his servant and child said, "Look at that crane. It has two legs." The servant replied, "That is true, sir, but you did not clap your hands yesterday and so crane on the plate did not cover its other leg." Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Okay, very nice. Next chance goes to Litum. Litum, you can start, Buddha.
Okay, sir. It is a fine Saturday afternoon. The sun is shining brightly. Nipun and his friend Vignesh, Situli, Risri and Amanda are in the park with their families. Risri is climbing up a rope ladder. His little brother Nias is riding a pony. This is his first pony ride. His father is walking beside him. Nias is smiling happily. Nipun and Vignesh are playing cricket. Vignesh is batting and Nipun is bowling. Amanda is sliding down a slide. Her twin sisters Sharon and Rebecca are playing on a seesaw. Situli is feeding the fish in the pond. Their mothers are sitting on the grass, watching them at play. An ice cream seller is standing by the gate. Two children are running to buy some ice cream. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Next chance goes to Situm Lee.
Teacher asked us to form 5 groups.
How can we do that? You need a register. Here you are. Thank you. We have 30 in our class. That means 6 in one group. 6 in one group? Yes, then there are 5 groups. Thank you, Yoga, for helping me. You're welcome. Who will make the cleaning chart? I think you should do it, Sudeva. You are the monitor. It's all right. I will do it. Thank you. Vishmi, it's really nice of you. It's my pleasure. After all, we are in the same class. Yes, we are in the same class. You are right. We should help each other. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Nidusha. Buddha, Nidusha. Nidusha. Nidusha Nadda. Nidusha. Okay, until Nidusha gets ready, Nidusha
My school, the name of my school is Prince of Wales College. It is a boys' school. My school is very big. It has about 3,000 students and 100 teachers. It has 7 buildings and a playground. There is an office, science library, canteen, TV room, computer room in my school. It is developing daily. I love my school. I went my school to be leading school in Sri Lanka. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Sanumita.
My name is Manuka Basudhera. I am 11 years old. I am studying in grade 7 at Vijayabha Vidyalaya. My family is small. I have 2 sisters. My mother is Kumari Hera and my father is Sampath Hera. I have a pet dog too. My hobbies are reading and writing poems. My favorite subjects are Sinhala and science. I like to eat red rice with jack curry. My ambition is to be a writer.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Sanuji. Sanuji, candy perihara karana itu kata karan Sanuji.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can start.
The student of Gajaba Vidyalaya went to Candy. They went to see the Candy Perahara. They bought it for the class paper. The Candy Perahara is a beautiful
Pageant.
paragraph.
Pageant.
It is in August. Pageant. It is in August. King Kirtisri Rajasingha started it first. First, you hear the
You hear the whip crackers. Whip crackers. Whip crackers.
whip crackers.
Whip crackers.
Whip crackers. Cracking their whips.
Whips.
They land
They
the
lead.
Perahara.
They lead. They lead.
They lead whips. They
The
lead
Perahara.
the Perahara. The flag
Bearers.
are
Acrobats.
acrobats and
No,
flag
sword carriers. Sword carriers and fireball acrobats.
carriers and fireball
Acrobats.
acrobats come next.
Peramunirala.
Peramunirala and Hevisi trophies follow them.
Follow them.
Nilames
Drummers. drummers,
and
Candian dancers.
candy and dance are next
Dancers.
in line. The Candian dancers add beauty to the Perahara. The Tucker
Tusker.
carries the Tucker carries
The sacred truth of
sacred tooth really. The
relic. Tooth relic.
tooth
Diya vadana
relic.
nilive.
The
Diya vadana nilive. Diya vadana nilive.
other Nilames follow the Tucker.
Over 100 elephants
Over 100 elephants
take part.
in this event. The Peraharas go after that. The Perahara lasts for more than 3 hours.
Hours.
People around the world come to see it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Okay, very good. පුතේ second round එක ඔක්කොම කට්ටියම මේ මේක ලියන්න නැතු වුණාට මම ලියා ගන්නවා වෙනම මේකෙන් දැන් අයින් කරන. ඒතර පැටලෙනවනේ ඒක
හා,
නිසා.
sir.
Second round එක ඔක්කොම දාලා දිනවා. Okay, next chance goes to Dinuga. You can start with Dinuga.
Okay, sir. Hello, Yoga. Good morning. Hello, Sudeva. Good morning. Is this grade 6A? Yes, this is grade 6A. Read. That means I am in your class. Welcome to our class. Thank you. Are Vismi and Akil here? Vismi is here, but Akil is not. He is in grade 6B. Raj is also in our class. Oh, we will miss him. Where are the others? They are arranging the class. Shall we go in? Yes, let's help them. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Okay, next chance goes to Dahami. Dahami, you can start with that.
There was a rabbit. Its name was Bunny. His birthday was last Monday. He got off presents. His friends played with him, but he didn't share his new toys with them. Shall we play with your new toys? No, they are mine. I can't give them to you. His friends were very sad. They went away. They never played with Bunny. They played outside. Bunny was alone. He cloud not played with
He
his
could
friends.
not play. Mhm.
He played alone in his room. He was sad. He wanted his friends. He called them. I'm sorry. Please come to play with me. His friends come back. He was very happy. He shared all his new toys with them. Thank you, sir.
Next chance goes to Dinuth. With a mistakenly Dinuth. Dinuth. It should be Dinuth. Then you can start with that.
Trees are our friends. Trees are our friends. We can climb them and they give us fruits. Best of all, they help us breathe. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Trees leaves take in carbon dioxide, then they make oxygen. We need trees to breathe. Trees can live for thousands of years. Some trees are 3,000 years old. They need only sunlight, soil, air, and water. Some give us mangoes, apples, and pears. They make their smell good and also give us shade. Some birds and animals live on trees. We all need trees in order to live. Would you like plant a tree? Find some soil, plant a seed, and watering every day. Then you will have dew on a tree. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, next chance goes to උදේ එක ඔයාගේ පැත්තෙන් මොනවා ඉෂුව එකක් තියෙනවා මගේ පැත්තෙන් හදන්න බෑ පුතේ ඔයාගේ correction issues තියෙනවා මනිෂා පොඩ්ඩක් try කරලා බලන්න ඩක්කලයි next chance goes to Rashindu මනිෂා leave වෙලා ආයි join වෙන්න පුතේ then it will be okay තොර හරියයි
I am Rashindev Pasara. I am in grade 6. I like garden and reading books in my free time. I have a small garden in my home. There are different types of vegetables and fruits in my garden. I walk in the garden with my mother and father. We have a compost pile in our garden and we use only compost
fertilizer manure what
as
manure the fertilizer
reason
fertilizer okay
for the fruits and vegetables. We grow this way any of the animals and insects that help the plants to grow in my garden. We enjoy picking the fish, fruits and vegetables from our garden. We also give some of these fruits and vegetables to our
neighbors
neighbors when
Mhm.
when I grow up. I want to write a book on the importance of protecting the
yes importance of the environment මොකද trees
Thank you, sir.
okay Buddha next chance goes to Devdin you can start Buddha
Okay, sir. My favorite book. My favorite storybook is Maduduwa. It is a novel written by the famous writer Martin Wickramasinghe. It is an adventure story. The main characters in the story are two boys named Upali and Jinapala. Upali is the leader of the boy gang. They do a lot of mischievous things and often get into trouble. But later, Upali becomes a kind, hardworking young man who helps people. It is an enjoyable story about children like us. I like it very much. Thank you, sir.
Devdin very good Buddha next chance goes to Setuni
සර් මං ඊළඟට කියන්න තියෙන
එවන්න සම්බි අනිවාර්යෙන් හරි sure හරි
එකත් එව්වා නෑ සර් මං
Okay.
කිව්වා එව්වා කියලා
okay very good Setuni
Okay, sir. COVID-19 and the world. All had stopped for a long time and all had changed. We practiced a new life with online learning, online teaching. We lived with a dangerous virus that attacked the whole world. This was not easy for us. The good habits that we had forgotten, we brought back by the virus, washing our hands, maintaining social distances, wearing face masks. These are now essential. Finding these leads us a happy life of good night. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay. Okay, this is the second round. Then we are starting now. First chance of the second round goes to Mayantha. Mayantha, you can start, Buddha.
Mr. Rogan, the pile of milk. It was 6 o'clock in the morning. The cows were in the milkman came into the shed with a big pile in his hand. He milked the cows and put the pile of milk in a corner. Mr. and Mrs. Frog were hopping in the corner. They jumped and sat on the rim of the pile. They peeped in from the rim and slipped and fell into the milk. They swam and swam, but could not get out of the pile. Mrs. Frog was tired. She said to her husband, I am tired. I cannot swim. I will die here. She snapped to the bottom of the pile and died. But Mr. Frog died not. Stop. He swam round and ran round. The milkman carried the pile of milk to his house. The frog went to round and round in the pile and whispered the milk. There was now a pat of butter in the pile. Mr. Frog jumped up and sat on the pat of butter. And from the pat of butter, he jumped out of the pile. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, Mayantha, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Situm Imalsha.
Okay, sir. Money can buy a house, but not a home. Money can buy a bed, but not sleep. Money can buy a clock, but not time. Money can buy a book, but not knowledge. Money can buy a food, but not appetite. Money can buy you friends, but not love. So finish. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay. Next chance goes to Litum. Litum, you can start, Buddha. Litum Devunuda, you can start.
Okay. Amanda, this book looks interesting, Buddhi. Yes, why don't you borrow it, librarian? Please stop talking. This is a library. You have to be silent. Oh, yeah, sorry. Amanda, I would like to borrow this book, librarian. I am sorry, you can't borrow this book. You have to read it in the library, Amanda. That's all right. I'll read it here. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, next chance goes to Situm Lee. Nidusha second round එකට නම යොමු නැති නිසා මම දැන් නිදුෂා ආවදාම.
A day at the circus. I went to a famous Chinese circus with my family. It was very interesting. There were 3 monkeys dressed in pink coats and blue trousers. They rode on gray horses and waved tiny red hats. Strolling tigers jumped through flaming hoops. Clowns with painted faces and big red noses did a lot of funny things. A beautiful girl in a bright blue dress walked on the tight rope. A Butler threw many colorful balls in the air and caught them. Hook elephants sat on tiny stools. It was a wonderful circus. Third round එක කුටි යනවද?
Yes, yes.
Third round එකකට දාගන්න.
Okay, sure. Next chance goes.
Fourth round එක කුටි යනවද?
Sometimes I don't think so, but next chance goes to Manisha.
Driving in my car. I am driving in my car. Beep, beep, toot, toot. I am driving my car. The light is turning red. The light is turning red. I must stop my car. I must stop my car. Beep, beep, toot, toot. I must stop my car. The light is turning green. The light is turning green. I can go again. I can go again. Beep, beep, toot, toot. I can go again. I can go again. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. You can go again. I'm happy that you can go again. Means, you know, I might end up long. I never. Sure. Okay. Next chance goes to Sanuji. Randika, you can start. Sanuji.
Sir, මාව දාගන්න.
Sure. Name එක දාලා තියෙන දැන් Nidusha. You can see.
Sir, trees, trees. Trees, 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 trees. Sorry. Have roots and trunk and leaves. Trees, trees, trees. Have buds and fruits and seeds. A home for birds
Home
and
for
bees.
birds.
A home for nest of flying birds.
Birds.
A home for weeds and brown bats.
Bats.
Home for squirrels,
Squirrels.
bats and snakes. Squirrels and snakes. Trees give us all kinds of
All kinds of
fruits
fruits.
and
Wood for chairs.
wood for chairs, rubber of boats.
Rubber for boots.
They clean up the air and keep it fresh. Help us to
Breathe.
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 They need only sunlight, soil, and water. Maybe a little love.
Maybe a
Trees
little love.
protect us. Let's protect them too. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Sir,
Okay,
මම
next.
කිව්වේ මේ වටේට නෙමෙයි ඊළඟ වටේට දාගන්න කියලා.
Okay, sure, Nidusha. Okay, next chance goes to Devduni. You can start, Buddha. Devduni.
Okay, sir. I am Pudu Pereira. I am in grade 6. I like gardening and reading books in my free time. I have a small garden in my home. There are different types of vegetables and fruits in my garden. I work in the garden with my mother and father. We have a compost pile in our garden and we use only compost as fertilizer for the fruits and vegetables we grow. This way we will not kill any of the animals and insects that help the plant to grow in my garden. We enjoy picking the fresh vegetables and fruits from our garden. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Okay, next chance goes to Rashindu. Pute
Sir.
names ටික one tag ගලා
Sir.
Yes, Buddha. Yes.
සර් මගේ නම මේ දැන් කිව්ව ළමයාට පස්සේ තිබ්බේ ඊට පස්සේ යටට ඇවිල්ලා.
ඉතින් ළමයාට මේ රවුන්ඩ් එක නෙමෙයි ඊළඟ රවුන්ඩ් එකට ඕනේ කිව්වනේ.
නෑ සර් දෙකටම.
අයියෝ පාටලවනවනේ ඉතින් ඔන්න ඉතින් ඕකනේ කියන්නේ මට වුණේ මේකට නෙමෙයි ඊළඟට කියනවා වගේ. බොරුද එහෙම නේද කිව්වේ?
Sir.
Yes, Sanuji.
සර් මම වචනයක් මේ ඉංග්‍රීසි අකුරු ටිකක් කියන්නේ ඒකේ වචන කියන්න බලන්න.
ටක් ගාලා කියන්න. දැන් අර ඊළඟ අක්ක රෙඩි වෙලා ඉන්නවා. අයියා අක්ක ඉක්මන් කරමු කියන්න සමජි.
ආස එහෙනම් එයාලට දෙනවද මම පස්සේ යන්න?
හරි වාමට WhatsApp කරා ඉවරයි ඉවරයි. වැඩි ලේසි.
Sir,
ඕකේ.
Rashindu.
ඔව්.
Sir, මේ මගේ ෆෝන් එකේ මොකක්ද වෙලා sir මාව ලියුණා. Sir දැන් මම නේද sir කියන්නේ?
ඔයාගේ ටයිම් එක ඔයා ගත්තා නේද?
Sir මේ දෙවෙනි වටේ sir.
සෙකන්ඩ් රවුන්ඩ් එක ඔයා රීඩින් කරේ නැද්ද? අයන ස්ටාර්ට් කරන්නකෝ. මට මතක ඔයා රීඩින් කරා වගේ.
Rashindu,
Okay, Rashindu,
my
start.
class is grade 6K. There are 30 children in my class. Their classroom is not big. It's beautiful. The walls are pink. There are lot of colorful pictures and charts. There is a big blackboard and a teacher's table. The desks are yellow in color. And there is a steel cupboard in the corner of the room. There is a window desk to keep books. Their desk is next to the cupboard. There is not giant fan, but there are two big windows. Thank you, sir.
ඕකේ පුතා very good okay.
සර්
මට මේ WhatsApp පරාසල් ජීවන්න නැත්තම් කියන්න ටක් ගාලා. කමන්නේ.
මේ සර් මම මේ WhatsApp හරහා එවන්න දෙයක යටින් ඉර ගාලා. වචනයට ඉර ගාලා.
එහෙමත් කරන්න ඕන ක්‍රමයක්. Sure. Okay, next chance goes to Nidusha. Ane Setuni, very sorry, my Nidusha's name was here, but he said to put to third round, so I put him. Then again, he said he wants the second round. So you go to next. Okay, no matter.
No matters.
Okay, Nidusha can start with that. Nidusha මට කිව්වා Nidusha හොඳේ ඊළඟ එක මේක නෙමෙයි කියලා. ඉතින් මම දැම්මා. දැන් ස්ටාර්ට් කරන්න කවන්නේ නැහැ.
My name is Viruli. I live in Panadura. I am 10 years old. My school is Mahamaya Girls College. I am in grade 6. My hobby is garden. I have a brother and 2 sisters. My mother's name is Ruvini and my father's name is Rasika. I like pink must. I have a pet dog. My favorite subject is science. I want to be a scientist one day. Thank you.
Okay, පුතේ Nidusha, but I have a small doubt Nidusha. Nidusha බොරු නේද කිව්වේ ඒකේ?
එයා සර් කෙල්ලෙක් කියලා.
ඒකනේ මහාමායා ගර්ල්ස් කොලෙජ් කිව්වා නේද?
නෑ සර් පොතේ තියෙන එක නේ කිව්වේ.
හරි හරි ඔය දන්නා බීරට කිව්වේ. ඒකනේ හම්බෙලා Prince of Wales කියලා මම කොහොමද මහාමායාකට දීයේ කියලා එකපාරටම. දවසක් එක්කෙනෙක් මට එකපාරටම මැසේජ් එකක් දාලා හරි කෝල් එකක් දාලා කිව්වා සර් බොයි කෙනෙක් සර් මාව එකපාරටම කිව්වා සර් මාව මොකක් හරි ගර්ල්ස් කොලෙජ් එකක් කියලා. ඒකට සිලෙක්ට් වුණා කිව්වා. මං කිව්වා ඈ පුතේ මොකක් කියලා. මට නම් මතක නැහැ නේ ගර්ල්ස් කොලෙජ් එක මොකක්ද කියලා මිස්ටර් මතකයි හරි. ආයි කිලිවලා මං හිතන්නේ මියුසික්ස් එකද කොහෙද සිලෙක්ට් වුණා කිව්වා. මං කිව්වා ඈ ඒක කොහොමද පුතේ ඔයා එකට යන්නේ කියලා. නෑ නෑ සර් මේ ස්කූල් එකට යන්න නෙමෙයි කම්පිටිෂන් එකට කිව්වා. ඉතින් මට ඔක මතක් වුණා ඊළඟට කලින් මතක් වුණා කම්පිටිෂන් එකක් තියෙනවා කියලා කිව්වා කියලා. මට ඒක අමතක වුණා එකපාරටම කිව්වා මම වුණා මේ ළමයි කොහොමද කියලා මියුසික්ස් එකට යන්නේ. මාව නිය කරකොලත් එක එකපාරටම පස්සේ මතක් වුණා කම්පිටිෂන් එකකට කියලා. Okay sure. Setuni you can start with that.
The jack tree. It is also called the rice tree by Sri Lankan villagers. It is because it is such a valuable tree. It grows to be a strong big tree. Jack tree is very popular among the Sri Lankans. Jackfruit is very nutritious. It is a complete meal. Half rice jacks are boiled and eaten with scraped coconut. The young fruits are also eaten as a vegetable. The young jackfruit is called polos by the locals and is of high demand. The Polos curry is very tasty. Well-ripe jackfruit is as sweet as mangoes and is a popular fruit. Jack curry is a popular dish of the Sri Lankans. Jackwood is a strong wood. It is used in carpentry. It is durable and lasts a long time. House builders use jackwood for rafters, doors, and windows. It is also used for making durable furniture. Its leaves are used for making medicine. It is the most valuable tree in Sri Lanka. Thank you.
Okay, Sidhinu Uday, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Situm. Sanuji මට තාම එව්වේ නැහැ නේද ඊළඟ reading කරන්න ඉන්න එක. එවන්නක් ගලා. ආයිකෝ දාන්න හොඳයි හරි. Okay, next chance goes to Situm Imalsha. පුදේ මේ සනුජිට support එකක් දෙන්න සනුජි grade 5 ඉඳලා අනිත් කට්ටියත් ඒවත් මම support එකක් දෙනවා. නැතුව ඉන්නේ නැහැ. ඕන කෙනෙක් වන්න. මේ කෙනෙක්ට කියලා support එකක් දෙන්නවා නෙමෙයි හැමෝටම support දෙන්න. ඒවත් එම WhatsApp කරා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Okay, next chance goes to Situm Imalsha. You can start.
Okay, sir. My topic is King Bruce and the Spider. Bruce was the king of Scotland. He was a good king, but he had some enemies. Once a big enemy army attacked his country. There was a battle between this big army and Bruce's small army. The enemy army killed and wounded many of Bruce's brave soldiers. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha.
SOLDIER.
Soldiers.
Oh, soldiers. Now Bruce could not fight, and he left the battlefield and ran away. He ran from place to place and at last came to a wood. He was very sad and tired and went to a cave. There he sat down on a stone in a corner. The enemy cannot find me now, he said. After some time he looked at one of the walls of the cave. A spider was waving a web. It was going up the wall to the ceiling. It went up and fell down. It tired again, but again it fell down. It went up and fell down 6 times, but it did not stop. It tired again and reached the ceiling at last. Sir, finish.
Very good. Okay. පුදේ අනික් කට්ටිය මට names එවන්න නිසා මට දාගන්න විදියක් නැහැ. ඕගොල්ලොන් කරුණාකර මට names ටික එවන්න. ඒතර මට දාන්න පුළුවන්. message එකක් දාන්න හැමෝම දන්නවා.
ඒ ලබන වටේවත් දාගන්න මාව.
Okay, sure.
ඕකෙත් තියන්න සර්.
Hari, sure. Okay, next chance goes to Nidusha.
My favorite animal. My favorite animal is a horse. Horses can run very fast. I like to ride on a horse in a race. One day I went to Nuwara Eliya. I went was my sister to ride on a horse. Fast when I went with my sister, the horse went slowly. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Manisha. Yes, Buddha, Rashidu.
Sir, may I have the run what
No, third day.
Sir, thank you. Have the run what
Hari dal din Buddha. Okay, Manisha, you can start Buddha.
Myself. My name is Manisha Sasmi. I live in Piliandar. I am in grade 6. My class is grade 6B. My favorite color is light green. My favorite food is ice cream. My favorite drink is milk. I have one sister. She is Kulansa Temani. My mother name is Shanti Kumari. My father name is Prabhash Mahendra. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Okay, very good. Next chance goes to Litum Devnuda. Litum. දැන් මේ එසත් එහෙම මට මැසේජ් එකක් වෙලා තිබුණේ නැහැ. කිව්වා විතරයි එසත් කියන නම. එතකොට who else? තව නැති කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා. ඒගොල්ලෝ වන්න. හරි. Okay. Next chance goes to Litum.
Okay, sir. Hey, the opening ceremony has just started. Nipun, yes, the athletic captain is carrying the first torch. Shane, look, the house captain are joining him. They are running together. Nipun, yes, no, now they are lighting the first torch. Shane, why are all the athletes standing there? Nipun, to give the order. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Okay, very good. Next chance goes to Situm Lee.
Yes, sir. My name is Siruli. I live in Pandura.
Situm Lee, continue today.
My name is Siruli. I live in Pandura. I am 10 years old. My school is Mahamaya Girls College. I am in grade 6. My hobby is gardening. I have a brother and 2 sisters. My mother's name is Ruvini and my father's name is Rasika. I like pink moss. I have a pet dog. My favorite subject is science. I want to be a scientist one day.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Okay. Next
සර් මාව
chance.
6 වෙනි වටේ දක්වා දාගන්න.
Okay, තව බෝ වන්න. තව එක රවුන්ඩ් එකකින් නවත්තන එකයි. මේකයි තව එකයි. එතකොට 6 හරිනේ නේද? Okay, next chance goes to Sanuji. Sanuji, you can start.
Shepherd boy and the one. There was a shepherd boy.
සර් මේ මම අර වචනයට ඉරක් ගහලා ඉවත් නේද?
Okay, brought them.
නේද සර්?
There was a shepherd boy. He looked after a flock of sheep. He took the sheep to the forest every morning. He
Brought them. Brought them. He brought.
one day he took a truck with the villagers. He shouted, help, help, there is a wall. And all the villagers came to save the boy. They asking the boy, where is the wolf? The wolf replied, there is no wolf. It's just us. The villagers were very angry. The wolf really came. The boy cut for help. This time, nobody came to help him. The wolf killed all the sheep. The boy never lied again. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good today. Next chance goes to Manisha. කලින් යෝම මනීෂාගේ නම දැක්කේ පස්සේ මනීෂා වල දිනනවා
Sir,
කියලා.
class එක ඉවර කරන්න
තව one more round. තව එකකින් finish වෙනවා. One more. තව එක round
Sir,
එකකින්
ඒ
finish
ග්‍රාන්ඩ්
වෙනවා.
එකට මාව දාගන්න.
දාලා
Sir, ඒකට මාව දාගන්න.
දාලා තියෙන අනිවාර්යෙන් දැම්මා. ටික ලෑස්ති වෙන වෙලාවක් තියලා දැම්මා ඕන එකක් ගන්න එතකොට. Okay. Next chance goes to
මම
Roshan.
සිතුම්ලි සර් මාවත් දාන්න.
ඔක්කොම දාලා තින්නේ. කවුරුත් නැත්තේ නෑ අයින් කරලා නෑ බලන්න දැම්මා මේ පාරුන්නේ. ඕගොල්ලෝ වෙයි නැතේවත් දැම්මා. බලහත්කාරයෙන් රීඩින් කරනවා අද ප්‍රැක්ටිකල්
සර්
කරලා.
දෙකකට බෙදලා තියෙන්නේ.
ඒක ඊළඟ රවුන්ඩ් එක. Okay, Rashid, you can start with the
My name is Rashindu Deneth Hasara. I am 11 years old. My school is Somaga Mahendra Rajapaksa Vidyalaya. I am in grade 6. My father is a businessman. He is Ajit Rohana. My mother name is Indrani.
Mother's name is.
I have one sister and no brother. My favorite food is pineapple. My favorite color is orange. My hobby is gardening. I want to be a doctor one day. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Devduni. You can start, Buddha Devduni.
Okay, sir. Once there lived a little red hen. She lived with her chicken. She lived in a farm. There were also a goose and a duck in the farm. One day she found a grain of the wheat. I am going to plant the wheat. Who will help me? She asked. Not I am busy, said the duck. Not I am busy, said a goose. I will plant then, said the little red hen. And she planted the grain of the wheat. She worked it, and it grew well. Later she got a good harvest to wheat. I am taking the wheat to the mill. Who will help me? She asked. Not I am busy, said a goose. Not I am busy, said the duck. I will talk it myself then, said the little red hen, and she took the wheat to the mill. Then they rode back to farm. I am going to make some bread. Who will help me? She asked. Not I am busy, said a goose. Not I am busy, said the duck. I will make it myself then, said the little red hen. So the bread baked the bread. It was the sweet smelling. I am going to eat the bread. Who will help me to eat up the bread? She asked. I will, say the goose. I will, say the duck. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Esat. Esat, you can start, Buddha.
Okay. I am sorry, I don't understand Cloud Dew. Please repeat that. I am sorry, I don't understand Cloud Dew. Please
Could you?
explain
Esat,
that.
Esat, could you please? Okay, continue, Buddha, very good. Could you?
Do you pray to
Elaborate.
on this? I am sorry, I didn't hear that. Cloud,
Could you
please could you please repeat? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you please repeat? You say that again, please. I have to get going. It's time for me to go. I have to run. Can we continue later? Thank you so much for you. Go it. Thanks. I think have everything I need. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Setuni.
Our transport. Transport is needed by use to travel from one place to another fast, safe, and comfortably. We use different types of vehicles for transport according to our requirement. We no longer use all forms of transport such as walk cars, hand carriages, and horse carriages.
Today, most people use public transport for traveling because it is the cheapest. Office workers use office trains to travel to their offices. School children use school bus and school vans to travel to their schools. Three-wheelers have also become an important source of public transport. People use them to travel short distances. Motorcycles are popular among the young and the old. They use it for personal use as well as for work-related travel. Lorries transport goods. Aeroplanes are used for both passengers and cargo transport. Cargo ships transport mainly heavy cargo. We need good roads for vehicles transport. Now we have highways and flyovers. Thank you.
Okay, Uta, very good. Next chance goes to Situm Imarsha. The last
Okay.
round.
Okay, sir. My topic is Mr. Hogan, the pail of milk. It was 6 o'clock in the morning. The cows were in the shed. The milkman come into the shed with a big pail in his hand. He milked the cows and put the pail of milk in a corner. Mr. and Mrs. Frog were hopping in the corner. They jumped and sat on the rim of the pail. They peeped in from the rim and slipped and fell into the milk. They swim and swim, but could not get out of the pail. Mrs. Frog was tired. She said to her husband, I am tired. I cannot swim. I will die here. She sank to the bottom of the pail and died. But Mr. Frog did not stop. He swam round and round. The milkman carried the pail of milk to his house. The frog went round and round in the pail and whipped the milk. There was now a pat of butter in the pail. Mr. Frog jumped up and sat on the pat of butter, and from the pat of butter he jumped out of the pail. Sir, finished. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha. Okay, very good. Next chance goes to Nidusha, but he is not here. He has some issues like data finished. So the next chance goes to Setuni. Setuni, Buddha, you can start if you are ready.
Okay, sir. The postman. It is public servant. He is welcomed by everyone. We all like him. He is very honest in his work. He brings examination relations to us. He delivers the mail from door to door. We should be polite to him. He wears a khaki uniform. But these days we can't see his uniform. We must respect his service. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Next chance goes to Situm Lee. You can start with us, Situm Lee.
My name is Fatma Rizka. I am 10 years old. My school is Muslim Mary's College. I am in grade 6. My father is a businessman. He is Ruslan. My mother is a teacher. She is Nihla. I have 3 sisters. My favorite food is biryani. Green is my favorite color. My hobby is playing badminton. I want to be a teacher one day.
Okay, Situm Lee, very good. Okay. Next chance goes
Sir,
to
may I leave now?
Sure, for sure. Next chance
Okay.
goes to
Thank you,
Devduli.
sir. Good night.
Okay, Buddha, good night.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Hi,
Buddha.
sir.
Okay, sir. Yesterday was a very enjoyable day. Our family was at home as it was a holiday. I got up at 6:30 in the morning. We had our breakfast together. Then my sister and I cleaned our room. We helped father to weed the garden too. Mother prepared a delicious meal and we enjoyed it. After lunch, we all watched a family movie. It was an interesting adventure story. In the evening, father played badminton with us. Mother sat outside and watched us play. After that, I did my homework. My sister helped me with it. Then we all had dinner and went to bed. Thank you, sir. Sir, fifth round එකකුත් තියෙනවද?
Oh, this is the last Buddha because කලින් පටන් ගත්තේ නේද? එතකොට දැන් වෙනදාට අපි 7:30 නේ පටන් ගන්න reading. එතකොට පැය භාගයකින් reading ගන්න හම්බෙන්නේ. අද මම 6:20 වගේ පටන් ගත්තා නේ. ඉතින් අද ඇතිතරම් chances දෙනින්ද 1 hour දීලා තිනින්ද අපි මේ එකෙන් නවත්තනවා. And most of you are very good now. ඔක්කොම අන්තිම වෙනකන් ඉඳලා වැඩ කරන කට්ටිය හොඳයි ආ. අනික කට්ටිය නෙවෙයි. ඔයගොල්ලෝ වැඩි challenge එකක් ගත්තා. Okay, next chance goes to Manisha's. Manisha song. මේ කාංචනා මිස් මතක් කරා කිව්වා කිව්ව දෙනෙම කාංචනා මිස් අද ක්ලාස් එකේ ඉන්නවා පුතේ.
Two little birds මේ පුංචි කුරුල්ලෝ දෙන්නා sat on a wall පිටිය මත උන්නා. One name is Peter. මෙන්න මෙයා Peter. One name, the other name Paul. මෙන්න මෙයා Paul. Fly away Peter. Peter පියාඹන්න හදනවා. Fly away Paul. Paul පියාඹන්න. Come back Peter. Come back Paul. එන්න Peter. එන්න Paul. Thank you sir.
Okay පුතා, one thing අර හිතුණනේ the other name කියන්නේ අනිත් එක්කෙනා ඒතර. The other name.
සර් මම
Last.
ලියවෙනවා.
Okay පුතා, sure. Last එකේ again කොහොම නැවත එන්න. පොඩි මිස් එකක් විතර එන්න. නරක නෑ. very good හොඳයි ආ. සාපේක්ෂව කොච්චර හොඳද? Next chance goes to Rashidu. Rashidu is here. Oh, yes, Rashidu can start. පුතේ finish කරලා ලියවෙන්න පුළුවන් sure පුතේ. Okay. Rashindu, you can start with that.
She is Amaya. She has a bag. She has lot of books in it. Hello, I'm Amaya. I have in. I'm Nedula. I have a lot of friends. He is Nedula. He has many friends. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Samaji.
There was a rabbit. Its name was Bunny. His birthday was last Monday. He got a lot of presents. His friends played with him, but he didn't share his new toys with them. Shall we play with your new toys? No, then Minnie.
They are
I
mine.
can't give them to you.
Ooh.
His friends, they are very sad. They went away. They never played with Bunny. They played outside. Bunny was alone. He could not play with his friends. He played alone in his room. He was sad. He wanted his friends. He called them. I'm sorry. Please come to play with me. His friends came back. He was very happy and shared all his toys with them. Thank you, sir.
Very nice. මේක නම් හොඳයි ලේසි ආ. ඔයාගේ ගානට එක රීඩින් කරා. I support ගන්න දෙකුත් තිබුණේ. Very good.
Sir, මම ලිව්වෙන කමක් නැද්ද sir දැන්?
Sure. Okay, sure Samaji. මේක දැන් last ඉන්නේ. Okay. එසත් Lutmina, you can start with that.
Sir, එහෙනම් මම ලිව්වෙනවා goodbye sir, have a nice day.
Okay, good night. See you next day. Bye. Isat, you can start with
I
the
do you like to receive a hotel room? That is no problem. May I have your full name, please? My name is Ons Nils. Hello, Mr. Nils. My name is Tell. What days do you need that? Sensor, I am need to visit New York from Friday, April 40 unitly Monday, April
Yes.
7. Our room is recently wound up. Is that okay with you, Mr. Sakis? How much pre-night are we talk about?
Talking about.
Each night will be
300 තියෙන පුතේ 300ද?
thousand.
Okay, 300.
Honey, 300. It's bit heat,
It's bit
but
high.
it's okay.
Okay.
Next question is a queen is bed okay? That sounds fine. I have your phone number? Really, my phone number is 626-555-1739. Thank you, Miss Sandals. We look forward to seeing you in New York. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Okay, nice. And welcome everybody. Then see you next day. Good night. Bye.
Good night. Bye. Bye. Good night. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye. Okay, then bye. Okay, others too.